Hi, my name is Kwame Darko Mensa, and today I'll be starting the final project for ADTA 5550. And so, starting for part two of the final project, we're going to obtain the Cypher 10 data sets. So, I've already downloaded those data sets to my computer, and we're going to go into the virtual server to upload these files. Now that we're in the remote server, we're gonna look at the content. So this is what I already have in my virtual server. I have the Jupyter notebook and the Iris dataset and the diabetes dataset that we use. So I'm gonna be downloading all the data files to the remote server. So we're gonna go here. Here, upload files. Should be my download. So I believe the data so starts with batches. Batches new, open, close. And then the next one is data batch. So I'm going to be doing these 5 data batches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to save time, I'm just going to have those. Now that I've been able to upload all the data batches and the Python file that we need into the VM, we're going to create the new subfolder for this final project. But first, what we can do is we can check to see all the stuff that we have. So we're gonna run. And so we can see the data, the batches matter. You see that we're gonna need that for the project. Antigua 5 and then the test batch. Correct. Now the next thing to do is to make a subfolder as required. So we're gonna access the Jupyter Notebook folder CD. Okay. And now that we're in, we're gonna create a new subfolder and we're gonna name it Cypher 10 data. So we're gonna do is and then we're gonna call it okay. So we're gonna verify that the subfolder has been created in here. So in there we just do ls -l. And so we have that subfolder. Once that subfolder has been done, they're gonna go and put all these ones that we need into this subfolder in Jupyter Notebook. So it's going to run a few command lines. We're going to copy. So we're going to use the CP function. So the final project requires us to upload all data files from the aforementioned data set type or 10 to the student's local computer into the newly created subfolder. So we're gonna do that. So go here, we go back, CD takes us back, and then we're gonna copy the data sets individually into the subfolder. So I'm gonna go CP. I'm gonna do the same thing for all the stuff that I need, which is batches, test batch, and that Jupyter notebook. We have copied all of these into the Cypher 10 data subfolder. We are gonna run the command line and see what we have in there. So go in there and see. So now that we're here, you're gonna see what the contents are. So we have everything in there, 1 to 5 test batch, that is meta, and we should be ready to go into the Jupyter notebook and start some analysis. Now that we have uploaded all the data sets and we now in the virtual in the Jupyter notebook, we can see a Cypher data. So we're gonna open this to look at the codes here. We're gonna write the code here to define the functions, to build the model, create the convolutional layer, train and test the model for this data set, and I'll be writing a report. So that will be coming in the next video.